You guys, it is the day before we move, and we're taking both cats over to the house. Jake is very upset. I'm so sorry. I feel bad. I want to like cry. She's trying to escape.
To new beginnings, guys.
Here we go to the new house with the kitties. They hate us, but that's okay. You guys checking out the new digs? There's Jake on a counter. River, low riding. What you doing, Jake? You guys like your new house? Come here, River. Oh, little boobs, little pets. Jake in the mirror, I can't. There he is. Hi, bud. Night one in the house. We got Jake making himself right at home.
Saw dudes.
Ian watching the hockey game on his laptop because we don't have our TV yet.
No big deal.
River has not left that little spot over there. She's a little timid, but hopefully soon she'll get acclimated. I have all of her little comfort blankets down here from the old house, so we'll see how she does. Well, it's moving day. We are a little worse for wear.
Should have slept at the old house, honestly.
Last night there was a water pipe vibrating and it was vibrating like the whole house, so we're gonna have to get that addressed with a plumber today. We did get it to stop, but not until about 4 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna be doing this tired today, but we've got moving ahead services coming. If you are local to any of the cities on the screen right now, we love moving ahead services. We used them the last time we moved years ago. They just do such a great job. They're careful with your stuff, but they're very efficient and reasonably priced as well. So we will be using them again for this move. They are sponsoring this move video, and I'm so grateful to them because we absolutely love them. We could not do this without movers. Absolutely not.
The moving ahead services guys pulled up right on time, bright and early. We were so lucky to have a crew of 3 guys. They did such a great job taking care of our stuff, but also working super quickly. I could not believe how quickly they emptied out our old house. We had just a lot of belongings in the garage, and upstairs I had some furniture pieces that we were taking.
Hi guys. We have survived this far. The moving ahead team, we've got the best crew of guys. They are so nice, so fast, and they've taken such good care of our stuff, like wrapping everything that might get damaged. Just on it. They're on it. They finished emptying our entire house within an hour. So now we're at our storage unit because we have more stuff here. So they are going to empty the storage unit, and then we're on our way to the new house. Again, but I mean with all of our stuff now. Right. So
after they emptied out our old house, it was on to our storage unit. You guys, you would think, given the fact that we sold a lot of our furniture and belongings with our old house, you would think we didn't have that much to take over to the new house. But, you know, being a home blogger, we have lots of decor. And after all that, we finally made it to the new house, and it was time to unload everything that they just packed up. This is not even a dance move. I don't know why I filmed this. We were slap happy at this point. Then they started hauling all of the bins into the house in various rooms wherever I directed them to. And honestly, Ian and I just did our best to try to just stay out of the way because these guys were going super quick with all of the bins, and I was just sort of directing where things needed to go. Honestly, this part, you can literally see me having an anxiety attack in the right corner. This was my gorgeous gold bookshelf from our house, and I was terrified it was not going to make it up the stairs, but these guys were like, no, we got this, and they nailed it. Got it right into my office.
Are you excited?
I will be when that all stuff is not there.
Yeah. You guys want to see the other side of the room, which is stuff. Mass stuff. Hi guys. They were so great.
got it done in lickety-split time. We're so nice. So we're really grateful for them. Bye, guys. I guess we're just left to our own devices now to Here is what the living room is looking like currently. And I am a little overwhelmed at all that needs to be done. You really think you're super organized when you start moving, and then that just changes when you have to be out of the house. Everything seems so last minute. My parents are here. They're coming for the first time and they just pulled up. I'm excited for them to see my home and help me unpack some bins. Just get your suitcases in. Oh, it's chilly and windy.
It is. Yeah, it's, you know what, it's actually, because of the wind, it feels cold.
Look at you walking.
Well, yeah, I am. Although, all that pressure I put on my right knee when I couldn't walk on my left leg.
Welcome to Boxland.
Hey, it looks like, oh, River. Hi, sweetheart. Who's a good girl?
Just come in. We'll worry about packages in a little bit.
Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Hi, River. Oh, it's so nice.
Chilly out there.
It is. It's a little, I mean,
Well,
it's the
welcome.
wind.
Yes.
Welcome to the house.
Yeah.
The humble new abode.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, yeah, no. It's an easy.
Here's some real life for you guys. I'm laying on a pillow on the floor. My parents and I spent pretty much the entire day getting the living room cleaned out. Hold on, let me show you that. River is displaying how it's nice and clean now. There's me on the floor, mom and dad in the only seats available in the house. But we got a lot done today. Honestly, I probably should have filmed us emptying out this room, but we were dying, so I'm sorry I did not. River did not help at all. She got into the garage for about 20 minutes by herself, so that was a fun adventure for her. We just have to have a few things go upstairs, but our living room's pretty much ready to go.
I'm filming this. Don't be an ass.
They're just puzzle piecing how they're going to fit my appliances down here for an island that we're probably going to have for like a few months.
Make it work.
My dad trying to adjust all the shelves to fit certain appliances in here. This is what eating looks like when you have no furniture. Everybody's got a plate on a plastic storage tub flipped over. These are our tables.
Pillow fight.
We're fluffing our pillows by hitting each other with it. There you go. Should this be part of the Mare Sleep commercial?
Yes, it should. This is the fun part. Hey.
Sorry, I went above the
I owe
net.
you a headshot.
I owe you a shot. We are on our way to the old house one last time. I will take you guys on a little like sort of tour of the empty house, but it's not quite empty because we sold a lot of our furniture there, but I will show you guys how we're leaving it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna cry today. Do you think he'll cry?
Probably.
He's not a crier though, but I might cry today. But yeah, I'll show you guys how we're leaving the